Hey, this is a little overview of the application made for the Delta Exchange assignment. So if the user tries to access the login form, he can access it. But if he tries to access the view members page, he will be pushed to a login form if he is not logged in. Then you can either log in or register. If once they are registered, their data will be stored in the database. It will be served by a Node.js server running at localhost 9000 for me and served to the MongoDB database. Here we have the users, the teams. The teams basically store all the members that a current user has. So let's say I'll log in with the user that I have already registered with. That is my own account, abhirajvarma@gmail.com, and the password. Now once I log in, I'll have access to all the members that I have already put in. Okay, and these are actually stored in this teams folder in the MongoDB. So now I can select, let's say I can select by company, so I can remove some companies. Let me just do that really quickly. So I have only one company left, just so that we can work with that. So let's say we'll select only the company one. We'll select only company one. So now, as you can see with company one, we have all of these data points. What we can do is we can either select all of them, and once we select all of them, we can click on export CSV and we'll get the CSV format for all the users, or we can select any two of them or any three of them, anyone, and we can again get the CSV format. We can also delete them, and we can delete as many as we want. Once we click delete, they are gone, not from the server but just from the view. Then once we log in, we'll get all of them back. So now as you can see, there are some members which have a status of closed or active. We can sort them by clicking sort by status, and now you can see all the active ones come to the top. Now let me go to another account. Let me log in with another account. So this account is another account that I've already registered. There is someone@gmail.com and it has some random password. Once I log in, I can show you. So as you can see, this account also has some members, but these are different from the members that are present for me. That is my abhirajvarma@gmail.com account, and this other user does not have access to these members. So and neither do I have access to the members of this user. Now let's say I add another member. So let's call him member 1 from, let's say, company name 2, and let's put in some notes. So some random notes maybe, and then we can select the status. So right now it's active, and add, and as you can see, it's added. Not only here, it's also added to the database with the help of our server, and all the other functionalities remain as it is. No changes in that. Thing I forgot to add is that once the user has logged in, he doesn't have to log in again. He can directly access the members page, as his data will be stored in the local storage in JWT token format.